So now let's see what scraper templates are. So over here you can see that I am in Thunderbit, and over here on the right hand side I got Thunderbit opened up. And if I were to click on next right here, I can go ahead and select out option. And as I get to the third page right here, you can see that I have different templates right here. So depending on what I actually used in the past, it went ahead and created out scraper templates right here, which got pre-existing fields. So what you can do is you can go ahead and, let's say for example, rename out the template as well. So I'm just going to go around and say custom template, and that is how it gets renamed as. So you can go ahead and select a template as you want for the fields that you want to scrape, and you can go ahead and scrape it out. If you want to go ahead and create an entirely new scrape, you can click on new scraper template right here. And then you can go ahead and use AI suggested field or enter out manually. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and say product right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say price right here. And now I can go ahead and rename this out to product and price. Let's say, for example, product and price right here, just like this. And this becomes a new template. So let's just go around over here. So this is simply product and price. So you can go ahead and click new scraper template right here to create more as you want. But I have product and price, which is made right here. So you can go ahead and run that out right here. So you can see that this is what you have. There's an empty field. Let's just remove it. And then if you were to go ahead and hit run, it'll go ahead and fetch out the data right here in the page. And as per the scraper template that you chose right here, the task will run, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you got the product and price. So now, apart from that, let me just go around over here. So you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and select out the page right here. And then you can go to any other template right here. Like for example, this one, click on run now. And immediately you can see that using that template, now it'll go ahead and start scraping off the data. And then you can see the task in progress right here, just like this. And as per that, you got all of the data now. So the task is in progress, and now you can see all of it right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize out these scraper templates easily to go ahead and then quickly scrape out the data depending on what fields are mentioned in the templates easily inside of Thunderbit. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.